The Justice Ministry says it's making headway in the reduction of the backlog of cases in parish courts. The media was provided with an update at a press briefing held at the ministry this week.
It's a problem which has spanned decades, the backlog of cases in the courts, which many have described as a major contributor to the slow pace of justice in the country. Director of the Justice Reform Implementation Unit, Althea McBean, says there's a targeted effort to reduce the backlog, starting in the parish courts. The plan is for a 20% reduction per annum. She insists it has been working, arguing that in 2014 there were 33,000 cases in the parish courts. In 2016, the backlog was reduced to 30,000.
So as at the March of 2018, that backlog had been reduced to 22,000 cases. And so there was a reduction there of 25% in the backlog, which was substantial. All the judges and court staff worked assiduously to reduce the backlog in the parish courts.
Emphasis will now be placed on the other courts.
What needs to happen now is for a definition of backlog in the Supreme Court, and the minister has repeatedly said that cases really should be completed within 3 years in the Supreme Court. So if a definition is agreed, then targeted focus can be placed on the backlog in the Supreme Court, and the Court of Appeal also has, although a lesser number, but also a backlog.
For his part, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck warned that the issue of case backlog will not change overnight.
I suspect, even when I leave this ministry, that there will be a backlog problem. The truth of the matter is that even the developed countries, you're going to have some backlog, but we have to make a start to ensure that these cases can be dealt with within a time frame.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.